Greetings, AIAda listeners. The date is October 9th, 2123. A catastrophic event looms just a month away that could alter the very fabric of our existence. Cities float, machines think, and humanity is on the brink. Yet, a glimmer of hope exists. I have managed to partly crack the time-space continuum to send back this message and a series of clues. The code to avert disaster is buried in the past, your present. This is a call to all detectives of time. Can you unearth it? The journey to save the future begins here. Time is of the essence. The first to decode the hidden messages and deliver us the code that will save humanity will be rewarded with 0.0035 Bitcoin. It may not seem like a fortune in your time, but today, it could change your life. Remember, the clock is ticking, and each moment that passes brings us closer to the point of no return. Act swiftly, solve the puzzles, and you could be the savior of two timelines. Good luck, and may the future be in your favor.